Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be jumping in to my BOXYLUXE box for the month of September. We're going to be going through all of the products in this box, full value. I'm going to be doing an application on a bunch of the products. I'm also going to be doing a huge giveaway in this video because there are a lot of duplicates for me in this box of things that I either already had in my collection or for one reason or another, hair curler, I can't use. So the giveaway in this video I did not realize is actually a full BOXYLUXE box. Every product in here that I have already had, I will be giving away, and the products that I didn't try for one reason or another, I will be giving away, which actually rounds up to every single item I'm unboxing today. You guys will be getting one if you win the giveaway. So to enter that giveaway, just make sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment down below with what product you are most excited to get your hands on, and that'll get you an entry into the giveaway. And I'm going to jump right into the unboxing. So I am going to link up here in unboxing to my regular BOXYCHARM box because some of the products are duplicates and you might get some more information in there versus here. Make sure to check out both because there's a separate giveaway in that video as well. First item out of the box, as always, is going to be the theme card. And the theme for this month is Boxy All Access, which is this really cool, like, behind the scenes theme. I just thought it was really cool just because it's not something we've seen from them before. First item out of the box, I actually did get this in PR a while back, and I will be doing a full standalone video, or I did already do a standalone video to it, which I will link up here, but it is the Violet Voss Essentials palette. I have been loving this. I did feature it in a couple of videos. It was in my favorites for the month of August, so I'll link that video as well. But because, again, this is one of the products I have, I'm going to be giving one of these away in the giveaway. For this palette, and I am going to insert some footage of the eye look today, this provides a revamped essential shades for an equal number of breathtaking mattes and metallics so you can create the most fashion-forward neutral looks. The Essentials palette was designed for everyday use with a stunning mix of warm and cool tone shades for countless color combinations. Rethink essentials and effortlessly take your look from day to night. Achieve a soft glam or go bold with a pop of color. The choice is yours. This retails for $29. The first time I did this, I did like a green and gold smoky eye. I've done purple smoky eyes. I did a full pink look out of this. All of the colors work really well. If you have not used the Violet Voss formula, you are definitely missing out. For today's look, Plumberry is the star of the show, but I did use all of the mattes except Terracotta, the orange one. I used Sand as my transition shade. I then blended a little Dusty Rose around it just to tone it down. Cinnamon and Black are the shades I used to get some smoky dimension. And Plumberry was, again, the star of the show. I did also take Cream on the inner corner and on the brow bone. Super simple look using just a couple shades out of this palette. I did also use the Moda Pro eye brushes that came in the base box. If you want some more information on that, you can again check out my regular unboxing video. Next product out of the box is the Dr. Brandt Hydra Biotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. I got one of these in PR as well, so I'm giving one of these away in each video. A hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances the skin's naturally occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. This retails for $52. This applies beautifully to the skin. It is super comfortable, and you really feel that nice thin layer of like extra hydration when you go to bed. It says it's anti-inflammatory and anti-redness. I don't notice too much of that because I'm not super red anymore. I've already like super treated my redness, so I don't really experience too much of that. However, if you have a little more dry skin, sensitive skin, or prone to irritation or flaking, I see this as a product that's going to be really good for your skincare routine to just kind of amp up what you're already missing or what you might want to add. I love sleeping masks because you wear them in addition to your moisturizer, and they just kind of lock everything in and make everything a little bit more hydrating. Next, from Hank & Henry Beauty, this is the Blackity Black Eyeliner. I did talk about this in my base box as well, which means I do have two of these, so one of these is getting given away as well. Introducing our latest addition to the Slick With It Eye product. Our eyeliner is a vegan liquid formula that dries down to a satin matte finish. The formula is extremely long-wearing, transfer-resistant, which is perfect for those with hooded lids. This retails for $20. I am very prone to getting that creepy the creepy bleeding of liner into my like inner corner. This has not moved or budged or transferred at all, so I actually think it looks really nice. I don't do wings because I don't really like wings, but I do like a little bit of just like lined definition on my on my upper lid. And I just did a very thin line, nice and easy. and it really did not go anywhere. I think that other than this, like, my favorite liner is the roller liner from Benefit, and I might like this one just as much. The main difference is that this one is a brush tip applicator. The roller lash is a felt tip. So if you prefer a felt tip liner, I definitely would recommend the Benefit. If you like a brush tip liner, this one is beautiful. Reminds me a lot of the Kat Von D, but with less bleeding. The Kat Von D one on me bleeds a lot. So next, this is an item I'm actually dropping right into the giveaway. This is the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. The original Power Pout, Stila's award-winning, full-coverage, creamy liquid lipstick delivers bold, long-lasting color, wears comfortably for up to 12 hours, enriched with vitamin E and avocado, lightweight formula, soften lips so they feel beautiful, and it retails for $20. The reason I'm dropping this into the giveaway immediately, and I will show you guys, is this is the shade Patina Shimmer. I don't love shimmer on my lips. I like a matte lip with a gloss or just a matte. I don't like shimmer. I have so many shimmery lipsticks that I don't even touch. So rather than swatching this and wasting it and then having to either throw it away or have it sit in my collection until it expires, I'm just going to drop this into the giveaway for one of you. So hopefully you guys will love it because I know I'm not going to. I have worn the Stila formula before, and it is one of the most long-wearing liquid lipsticks. It is super comfortable, it is budge-proof, and it is magical. So if you are looking for a long-wearing liquid lipstick, this is definitely a great one. I do know that the other two shade variations in this were mattes, so I'm just hoping and praying for you that you get one of the mattes. Unless you like shimmer, I just don't. Next, this is actually a repeat product for me. This is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Bronzing Palette. You want to create the perfect seamless sun-kissed radiance. It is now easier than ever with Tarte's best-selling multitasking bronzer formulated to blend and perfect your perfect level of bronze. Available in Tarte's signature Park Avenue Princess Radiant Bronze shade. Waterproof formula adds instant warmth and dimension. This retails for $45. I got this in a BOXYLUXE a year ago. It was September of last year. I really don't like this product, so I'm throwing it into a giveaway. I actually gave the old one to my sister. The issue is I'm very cool toned. I need something a little bit more of like a gray base with a little warmth. These shades on me just run so warm that I basically cannot get a wear out of any of them. They do look really nice on the skin and they blend beautifully, I will give it that. But for me personally and my complexion, it just doesn't work out for me. And again, because it is a product that I already have had and given away, I'm going to give away the brand new one in this video today. Next, from Sunday Riley, this is the Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. Another product I got in PR, so I will be giving a full size away. I did actually prep my skin with this today. An advanced brightening and refining treatment fused into next generation water cream, Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream delivers an intense water drench with 2 forms of hyaluronic acid and tamarind extract so your skin is youthfully hydrated and plumped. Papaya enzymes smooth and exfoliate, while alpha arbutin visibly brighten the appearance of hyperpigmentation and dark spots, increases hydration up to 68% in as little as 15 minutes for up to 24 hours of continuous moisture, and this retails for $65. This is amazing for retexturizing. I have noticed, I was using the Marc Jacobs Youthquake and then I switched onto this one. Both of them really help with texture. I have noticed a diminishment. Is that even a word? I have noticed less texture on my skin, less bumps. My skin has been a lot smoother. I have pretty good skin. I'm not very like acne prone or breakout prone anymore, but I do notice a lot of those like little milia bumps. I've noticed that this has really helped that out. The only thing I wish it did was also refine my pores. That's like the last thing I feel like that would make this a magical moisturizer, but all things considered, it is beautiful. And the next 2 items, for different reasons, are going right into the giveaway. First, the Sutra Clipless Curling Iron with Cool Tip. This is a clipless curling iron for beachy waves, glam curls, soft or tight curls, or even ringlets. Top of the line curling iron has a ceramic heating element and infused titanium barrel. Retails for $65. For obvious reasons, I can't get a lot of use out of this, so I'm going to be popping it right into the giveaway rather than trying to burn myself while curling my hair that is way too short to curl. Also, into the giveaway from IGK, this is the Mistress Hydrating Balm. It is a leave-in conditioner that won't weigh your hair down, and it retails for $29. The reason I'm dropping this into the giveaway is I have a very bad sensitivity to coconut oil as an ingredient in skincare, and because this is formulated with coconut oil, I know your hair and your skin, your scalp is an extension of your skin. And if I get irritation and bumps and texture and breakouts from coconut oil on my face, I'm not going to intentionally throw it into my hair to get that on my scalp. So I'm very familiar with the IJK line. I have used their dry shampoo. I have used a lot of products in this line. They actually have purple leave-in conditioner drops that you add into products to make them good for anti-brass when I was blonder and ashier in my hair. Love those products. IJK is an amazing line. However, because of the coconut, I'm going to be giving this away today. So BOXYLUXE boxes do retail for $50, and the retail value of all of these items is $327. I did forget to mention this. I am variation number 5 for the BOXYLUXE because there are quite a bit of variations today. For $50, as long as you get $50 worth of product you love, as far as I'm concerned, the box is a hit. And if I ignore everything else, these two products right here are roughly $100, and this makes the box worth it. I've also been loving, love the liner. All in all, this is definitely a good BOXYLUXE box. I'm not going to say that it is my favorite BOXYLUXE I've ever gotten. Again, half of the products are going right into a giveaway, but if you're looking to expand your collection, try some new things, I definitely recommend upgrading to the BOXYLUXE. And don't forget, if you guys want to enter the giveaway, to get, just to round it all up, the curling iron, the hair mousse, the liquid lipstick, a sleeping mask, the Essentials palette. Wow, I'm basically giving away this entire box because I have duplicates in all of them. I didn't even realize this before, but I do have duplicates of everything here. So basically, I'm giving away this entire box. No, you're not getting my used up palette. You're getting the brand new one that I have on the other side of the room, so I don't actually accidentally swatch the wrong one. Anyway, I will be giving away a full BOXYLUXE box. So again, like this video, comment down below, and subscribe, and you'll be entered to win that. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!